Here's how to overcome it. In this video, we are going to talk about something that many English learners experience: feeling embarrassed when making mistakes while speaking English. We'll explore why this happens, what kind of impact it has on our learning, and how we can overcome this fear. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident and understand that making mistakes is actually a very important part of learning. 1. Why do we feel embarrassed? Let's start with a simple question. Why do we feel embarrassed when we make a mistake while speaking English? The answer is that we care about how others see us. We don't want to sound foolish or be laughed at. Many people feel shy or nervous because they think others will judge them. Also, some people compare themselves with others who speak better English. This comparison makes them feel less confident, but we must remember, everyone learns at their own pace. English is not your first language. It's okay to make mistakes. 2. The role of mistakes in learning. You may be surprised to hear this, but mistakes actually help you learn faster. Think about how babies learn to walk. They fall many times, but they keep trying until they walk properly. The same thing happens with language learning. Each mistake is a chance to improve. If you say something wrong and someone corrects you, that moment helps your brain learn the right way. Over time, you will make fewer mistakes and speak more clearly and confidently. 3. You are not alone. It's important to know that you are not the only one who feels this way. Many learners from different countries feel the same. Even native speakers sometimes make grammar mistakes or use wrong words. So never think that you are the only one struggling. Remember, English is spoken by millions of people around the world as a second language. They all had to go through this phase. What matters is not being perfect, but being brave enough to try. 4. How to handle the fear of making mistakes. Now let's talk about how you can stop feeling embarrassed. First, accept that mistakes are normal. No one becomes fluent without making errors. Tell yourself, it's okay to be wrong. I'm still learning. Second, change your thinking. Don't focus on perfection. Focus on communication. If the listener understands your message, you are doing great. Third, speak more. The more you speak, the more comfortable you will become. Practice with friends, family, or even in front of a mirror. Join English-speaking groups or conversation clubs. Fourth, don't laugh at your own mistakes or apologize too much. Just correct yourself and keep going. This will show others that you are confident. 5. Create a safe practice environment. Another good way to overcome embarrassment is by creating a friendly space for practice. Talk with people who are patient and encouraging. Avoid negative people who laugh or judge you. You can also practice with online tools, mobile apps, or speaking with AI-based language tools. These platforms don't judge you and give you a chance to repeat and learn. 6. Real-life example. Let me share a simple story. A young man named Ali wanted to improve his English, but he was always shy. He feared that people would laugh if he said something wrong. One day, he joined a local English club. At first, he made many mistakes and felt nervous, but the other learners were kind. They helped him instead of laughing. Slowly, Ali started speaking better. After a few months, he was leading group discussions. He realized that his mistakes helped him grow. You can be like Ali too. Don't let fear stop you. 7. Focus on progress, not perfection. A common mistake learners make is trying to speak perfect English from the beginning. That's not realistic. Even fluent speakers take time to find the right words. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on your daily progress. Can you say more than yesterday? Did you learn a new word today? Did you try to talk in English when ordering food or asking a question? Celebrate those small wins. Over time, they add up to big results. 8. Replace shame with curiosity. Instead of feeling bad about a mistake, be curious about it. Ask yourself, why was that wrong? What's the correct way? Then learn it, use it, and move on. This attitude will help you stay positive and motivated. When you feel embarrassed, remind yourself, you are not failing, you are learning. 9. Mistakes show you are trying. One more important thing to remember is this. If you're making mistakes, it means you are trying. Many people never even start learning English because they are too afraid. But not you. You are putting in effort, and that's something to be proud of. Mistakes are signs of growth. They show that you're working hard and not giving up. That's what matters most. Conclusion. In this video, we talked about the common fear of feeling embarrassed when making mistakes in English. We learned that this feeling is natural but shouldn't stop you from learning. Mistakes are your teachers. They guide you, correct you, and make you better. We discussed how to change your mindset, practice confidently, and build a safe environment to grow. We also saw that you are not alone. Every learner faces the same struggle, but with time, patience, and effort, you will overcome it. So, next time you make a mistake, smile and say to yourself, I'm learning and I'm improving. That's the true spirit of a successful English learner.